she's not here. Key was stolen. I'm gonna make a key and then I'm gonna drop it off to her on my way home. So, I guess I could just pick it. Let's see. I used to be a professional airbagger, but then I started picking locks, so now I don't know how to airbag, so I'll pick it. Hopefully they don't come in the car and drive it off. Uh-oh, I think her car is a high security. Yeah, it's a different keyway. Okay, airbag it is. Got the door lock out. Got the door key. I need that little shim again. Toyota Camry. That's the one. Codes. Our key code is right here on the lock. 88804.